How to find and share Fantasy Premier League code.
First, open the official Fantasy Premier League website and sign in. From your team dashboard, tap Leagues. Now select the league you want to share. If you're the league administrator, open the league settings, or look for the option to invite people to join this league or share league. You'll find an invitation link or league code, depending on the type of league. Copy the invitation link or code and send it to your friends through WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other app. If you're joining someone else's league, ask the league administrator to send you the invite link or code. Keep in mind that FPL's current interface may show an invite link instead of a traditional league code, so the exact option can vary. Once your friend uses the invitation, they can join your private league and start competing with you. And that's how to find and share your Fantasy Premier League. For more FPL tips and tutorials, like this video and subscribe for more.